On Saturday, April 13th, 2013, join the folks at Habesha Lounge, 801 Northeast Broadway, for an evening of experimental mastery. First, tune in to What's This Called with Ricardo Wang on kpsu.org for Overdose the Catatonic and Holy Filament, performing separately and together as Death Pack Jazz Ensemble. Then, at 8:30, catch them again with the addition of Chance Determinists, The Dead Air Fresheners, performing with Austin Rich of Blasphemous Radio, and the mind-melting audio intensity of Abusive Consumer. All of this is happening at Habesha Lounge, 801 Northeast Broadway on Saturday, April 13th, 2013. Don't miss it.